Some of your assignments might require you to submit a screenshot of your work or your artifact in Canvas. So if you're doing this with the mobile app, you first go in your assignment and hit the submission and rubrics link. And under comments tab, you will see that there's a little plus sign here. You click on that and say choose file. So you see you have the options of clicking on the image or going to your library or going to your files folder. In my case, the image that I just screenshotted is in my library, my photo library. So I'm going to click the library and select my screenshot and hit send. As you can see, my image or my screenshot has been sent.